Hi, Ted Brooks again with Maglogix. Here to talk to you a little bit more about this technology that makes the most incredibly effective, the lightest weight, the best performing switchable permanent magnets the industry has ever seen. We told you a little bit in previous episodes about the multi-pole technology, about how we can take this pie, slice it up into 6 equal parts in this case, and make one a north, a south, a north, a south, a north, and a south. That means 3 norths and 3 souths at our bottom. We can take the same technology because of our very special patents, and we can turn it into a double. This double now gives us 6 norths and 6 souths, which means, again, incredibly small poles between the poles, which gives you greater absorption of the magnetic force, even on thin metals. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. We'll take this little hand lifter we just came out with. This is our newest tool. The first thing you notice is it has the same titanium nitrided, hardened steel base as everything else. It does have an incredibly strong handle. It's meant to handle this kind of steel you don't want to touch with your bare hands. Whether you're lifting it, positioning it, holding it up above your head, this has about 800 pounds of breakaway force. Let's face it, that's a lot more than OSHA wants you to be carrying in the first place. We'll put it down in this piece of about 3/16 inch steel, and we'll simply turn it on. The actuation is as simple as just pulling that lever over. You don't need 2 hands to turn our magnets on. At this point, you've got a magnet that will not break away. I could stand on this and it's not going to even slide off of this piece of steel. But when I tell you we're fully absorbed on thin metal, the question is, how do you know you're getting what you're paying for? Simple. Let's turn this on its side. Let's take a piece of very magnetic steel and put it on the base and see how much of this energy is still floating around unabsorbed. Just a little bit. Even on 3/16 we have unbelievable holding power. Most competitors, something like this would take about 1/2 inch to give you the same type of holding force. We can take that same magnetic energy, that same multi-pole technology we talked about before, and we can put it into round magnets, we can put it into square bases, we can give you 6 poles, we can give you 8 poles, we can give you 12 poles. This is the type of technology that makes Maglogix different than anything else out there today, and right there is one of the ways you can tell.